This is Francois, engineer by background, marketing and general management by trade. I come to PhotonFi after a successful career in IT and electronics in large and small corporations. Scale, growth, and M&As are our mottos. Here's the team that will make it happen.
Hello, I'm Mark Thompson. I'm a 30-year Silicon Valley finance veteran. I've been CFO of companies ranging from startups up to public companies. Took one company public as CFO, was CFO of 2 other public companies, and also CFO of a couple of Silicon Valley leading venture capital firms.
Hi, I'm Steve Taylor, head of sales here at PhotonFi. I have over 18 years of experience in telecom and networking with Verizon, AT&T, and Siemens. I'm passionate about building opportunities and turning partnerships into real transactions, driving LiFi adoption fast and scaling growth across new markets.
Hi, my name is Tony Anderson, Senior Systems Solutions Manager here at PhotonFi. I've spent my career bridging technology and strategy to turn bold ideas into real solutions. I bring a practical, relationship-driven approach to scaling LiFi, connecting innovation with real-world deployment as we bring light fidelity from concept to everyday impact.
I'm Didier. I've spent 25 years bringing new technologies to market. Broadcast, broadband, IPTV, smart grids, in blue-chip companies and in startups I co-founded. At PhotonFi, I lead product and operations. Our LiFi solutions are deployed today while we're building the system architecture for the next industry standard.